How to report a post or comment on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to the video. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how you can easily report a post or a comment on Instagram. But before getting started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us out a lot. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Instagram and then make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, if you want to report any kind of posts, you can go ahead and find the post that you want to report. So for example, I'm going to report this one. There is nothing wrong with this. It's just for example. If you want to report a post, you just have to tap on the three dots on the top right corner of the post or a reel. And then here you will see this option called report on the red. Go ahead and tap on it. Now, you will have to choose a reason for why you are reporting this. You just don't like it, bullying or unwanted content, suicide, self injury, or eating disorders, violence, hate, or exploitation, selling or promoting restricted items, nudity or sexual activity, scam, fraud, or spam, and false information. So let me just choose the first option. I just don't like it. And then from here, you will also have an option to block this account or restrict this account. And then finally, you can just tap on done. And once you do that, it will be removed from your feed. Now, if you want to report any kind of comment, you can just head over to the comment section right here. And if you want to report a specific comment, you can just long press on it like this and tap on report and do the same thing. So let me just select this one, last option. I just don't like it and tap on OK. So that's how you easily report an account, post, or comment. I hope you found this helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.